Hi, in this tutorial, you will learn how to enable centralized configuration for EnterpriseOne servers in the Server Manager console. You will also learn to verify if the changes made to the server group configuration settings are applied to the server instances. Access centralized configuration from the Configure section. In the Server Manager console, DNS names or field is populated when you select Oracle Database. The TLS field is populated when you select either IBM UTB or AS400. Select the checkbox if you want a secure TLS connection to either of the databases. For this tutorial, we will choose Oracle Database. In Centralized Configuration page, complete the fields and click Save. Now, let us create a new server group. Enter a unique name in the server group name field. For this tutorial, we will enter cconfig_test. Open the newly created server group and access the configuration settings. Verify if the database type is Oracle Database. We will now create a new HTML server instance and add it to the newly created server group. Select a managed home in which we will create the HTML web server. Select the EnterpriseOne HTML server radio button. On Create or Register or Manage instance properties, complete the fields. Let us now create a new enterprise server instance. Select Install New Enterprise Server. On Create, Register or Manage instance properties, complete the fields. Review and define the key configuration items. The value on this form must be configured manually. Now, let us add the newly created HTML and enterprise server instances to the server group we created earlier. Open the instances and access database to verify Oracle database is selected in the database type field, what we selected while enabling a centralized configuration. Let us now update the configuration setting of the newly created server group and verify if the changes are applied to HTML and enterprise servers as well. Navigate to the server group default configuration section and access database under EnterpriseOne HTML server. Update the database type to MS SQL Server and apply the changes. Open the newly created HTML instance. Click the Synchronize Configuration button to sync the configuration setting changes and restart the instance. The database type is updated to MS SQL Server. Again, open the newly created Enterprise Server instance. Click the Synchronize Configuration button to sync the configuration setting changes and restart the instance. The database type is updated to SQL Server. For more information on centralized configuration, visit learnjd.com. Thanks for watching.